On this project, we're working with Freeport to improve port safety around heavy equipment. The use cases of a straddle carrier, including going over and under and through container lanes, is a very complex and challenging scenario that is addressed perfectly by imaging radar. Because we use 77 gigahertz imaging radar technology, our sensors are immune to dust, fog, snow, dirt, or otherwise obstructed environments. Our imaging radar also works perfectly at night. Just one zPRIME 3.0 sensor will detect humans all the way up to 200 meters and beyond. And even one sensor will cover 120 degrees of a horizontal field of view. We used 6 sensors in this project for a full 360-degree coverage. Our solutions are not limited to only state-of-the-art imaging radar hardware. We also have state-of-the-art software for our radars as well. In this case, we've combined our zPRIME imaging radar with our state-of-the-art zView radar operating system and our FleetGuard collision warning system that allows us to fuse and combine the data from all 6 radars and provide free space mapping, collision mapping, path prediction, detection and classification of obstacles, and other smart features like regions of interest, container height mapping, and other application-specific features that these drivers need for safety. We're excited to be working to improve port safety. If you're interested in using zPRIME or other collision warning software for your heavy equipment application, we're happy to give demos and reach out to us anytime.